You wouldn't even get knee pain when you run if you built your hack squats to this level, just like George Hackenschmidt did, to be able to run late into his 80s without any pain at all. So welcome to exactly how we build our knee strength to overcome knee pain with our hack squats, coming from someone who had runner's knee for over 3 years and overcame it. Hack squats, the way we do them, demand a lot from your knees and your feet, and most runners that have knee pain have lost the ability to fully lengthen their knees through deep knee bend, and most of the time lose ability in their foot as well. So the first 8 to 12 weeks are just restoring that, starting with our VMO squats. The intent here is simple. We elevate the heels to get rid of the foot because we're gonna work on that separately. Then it's just chest upright, full knee bend, pushing through the feet just like we do in our hack squats. And our line of progression is also simple. We go from assisted reps to body weight reps. And all I want you to build to in this phase is just being controlled in using your body weight. You don't need any additional weight yet. If at any point you feel pain, just go to an easier regression, which anyone can do because you can control how much assistance you use. And in those 8 weeks when we're preparing our knees, we also prepare our feet in the same way with our foot stretch, with the intent of pushing into the ground with our big toe as we lengthen it and sitting back onto our heels. Now this regresses just like our VMO squats to any level. Obviously, the end goal is to be able to sit on your heels without any discomfort, but you can just lean forwards off of the stretch as much as you need to find a comfortable level for you. And those first 8 to 12 weeks are the secret to building up your foot and knees to get into this position in the hack squats without any issues. Our form is simple. Heels come off the ground as we lower. We go through full knee bend and push through the feet and knees on the way up. Week 1 of building your hack squats, I recommend to be assisted to get used to the balance and the strength engagement that you need. Then once you get comfortable there, go to body weight with your hands behind your back to get used to how you're actually gonna load it when you add weights. And from there, it's just a game of how much weight you want to use that feels comfortable and not painful to see how strong you can get your hack squats to be. I found a direct correlation. The stronger that I got here, the less knee and foot pain I had when running. I believe the reason why George Hackenschmidt loaded behind him instead of in front of him is because if you look at a traditional squat with weight in front of you, the weight is pushing you backwards, right? But with weight behind you, it pushes you forward. And running is not a sport of going backwards, it's a sport of going forwards. So by putting the weight behind us, we can get strong, not just in general, but in the exact direction that we're using when we run. So if you're like me and you just want to get straight into building up your strength on these hack squats, here's exactly how it's laid out in the running ability programs. In Unlock, we start with our foot stretch and our VMO squats. 2 sets of 25 reps twice a week in the VMO squats and 2 sets of 60 seconds twice a week in the foot stretch. Then in Rebuild, we set a 3-minute timer and we aim for 30 reps using as much weight as we comfortably can, so that by the time we get to targets, we can build to our long-term foot and knee protection goal of 10 reps with 33% of your body weight loaded. My full route from Unlock to Rebuild to targets has already produced 1,197 success stories. So if you want to start running without pain, you can join anytime for $37 a month. Use code FRESHSTART2025 for 20% off your first month, and I'll leave the link to runningability.com in the description under this video.